target for the commercial speed is 360 kilometers per hour, which is 224 miles an hour. The length of the very high-speed network in Europe will triple before 2020. The same will also apply in the rest of the world.
We're seeing a dramatic drop in inner-city air transport in Europe and inner-city auto transport. People just are not driving between large cities anymore.
Pour le voyageur, très vite, on voit le train prendre les parts de marché de l'avion, à se reposer. Il n'a pas d'attente, de temps d'attente, il n'a pas de problème de sécurité. Il est sûr d'arriver à l'heure et puis il peut même travailler, s'occuper dans le train. Le voyageur bascule assez vite.
The carbon footprint of a high-speed train is 4 to 5 times less than an airplane.
There were two statistics that I found very interesting about the bullet trains, which have carried billions and billions of passengers, and they operate at speeds up to 170 miles an hour. They've not had a single fatality in 40 years. The average late arrival time was 14 seconds. When I come back from Japan, I feel like I'm in a third world country when I get on trains here.